Okay, now let's start to draw our layers. So here you see we can draw agriculture, rivers, or wells as well. It's up to us. So then we can define first of all the editing properties. Right click, editing properties. You see here you have all the layers that can be used for snapping, and the tolerance. Snapping means how far can be a point to be joined automatically to the closest one. The flatness for line, the limits rows in memory usually is without limit, but you can change, and the snapping symbology, so you can add all of them or limit to a selection like I've done in this case. Accept, and then we can start drawing our polygon. In case of agriculture, you see we have several options: the circle, the ellipse, the regular polygon, a square, rectangle, or a polyline. So how we can enter, for example, a circle? I just click in the middle, I define the radius, and I click. That's it. To delete, just type cancel, and that's done. Then I can also, let's say, remove and relight this to remove the point, and then I can start entering other possibilities. Let's say like a square, rectangular. Here it is, or just then delete to remove it. And then I can also add, let's say, a regular polygon. I just click on it, I enter the number of the side, let's say 8, I push enter. Then you see this is 8 side polygon. Even in this case, I just delete to remove it. Okay, then this is the easiest and most used one, the polyline. How can I do? I go here and I start entering one by one the polygon, making, let's say, the point are composing the boundaries of my polygon. Then when it's over, you click on right and terminate. So you see this is the polygon that we have drawn, and my suggestion then, as soon as you finish to draw a polygon, a line, or a point, just go here, click inside the polygon, enter, say, main crop is can be wheat, the ownership can be public, then you save and you close. Then you move to another field, so you go here, you draw again your polygon, terminate. Here it is. You go here, you see this is this option, attribute editor. You click inside, and again, for example, you can say barley, and here can be private. Then you save. This is a nice tool to enter your data, not waiting till the end, but during step by step. So you see it's something useful. And then remember that when you finish editing, you save, then have a look at the table. You see here there is the information you have entered. So then let's start with the rivers. You can here see you have a lot of features, but basically what is important to use, it's always this. It's insert polyline, also in this case. And let's have a look how it works. We can draw, let's say, this river. I hope it's a river. Okay, then when it's over, terminate. And then have a look when you want to draw a river, let's say that will finish here. You start, you see that when you reach the polygon, the other polyline, you terminate, and here it is. Then when I want to start another line, to start drawing a line, let's have a look how what happens when I go closer to an existing line. You see that the symbol changes if I get closer to a vertex or to a part of the line. Let's have a zoom to see it better. See, according to the snapping parameter I've set, as soon as I get closer, it changes symbology as well here. And here you see, and it's just to see that the line will go exactly matching the other part of the line. Here I can select to make it more evident. Here it is. And see, in this case, you have the exact snapping between points, and you don't risk to have some problems. Now let's have a look how it works when I want to divide this line. See, now all this line is only one segment, only one record. So then if I want to split the line into segments, what can I do? I can go here. Let's say first of all I have to remove the selection. I can go by this tool. Okay, then I go on this, I select what I want to exploit. Let's say this one. Okay, now go here, exploit geometries, and then you see that here, for example, see now the line has been divided into segments. So if I select one, you see now the line is not anymore a single line, but has been divided into segments according to the vertex, the nodes. Then let's see the last one, the wells. If I want to add a point, see in this case only point is available. I select a point, let's say here, or more than one. You see that automatically the points are highlighted in blue in this case, and also in this case during editing I can change the size, maybe to make it more visible while I'm drawing. So I can go here and we click on in this case it can be, let's say, blue, increasing the dimension. It automatically has been updated. If I go on, the new symbology is applied. How can I move if I make mistakes? My point, I go here, you see, move geometry, I click on my point, I click on the, let's say, the selected one, I put in the new location, you see it has been moved. I select and I move. You see, just the procedure, just select the point, click on it, then go in the new location and click again. So you see it's very easy. So the next one we'll see how to work with polygons, how to draw contiguous polygon, inner polygon, how to cut polygon. Now there are many other tools that are available here, let's say like for example rotate geometry, scaled, but you can see all of them in the manual that will be ready shorter. Okay, thanks so much and keep in touch.